Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the grounding versus earthing. So most of the engineer thinks that grounding and earthing both are same, but it is not like this. Grounding is basically used to ground the current carrying component. Current carrying part to ground, like generator, neutral earthing, and transformer, neutral earthing. While earthing is used or implies for ground connection of non-current carrying part, like body earthing of the equipment. So during normal operation, earthing or grounding does not play any role. While during abnormal condition, this earthing or grounding provide a return path to ground fault current to source without endangering any human being. So let me give you an example of system earthing or earthing and grounding. So let us consider this is my generator, a star connected generator, and this is connected to transformer. Primary is delta and secondary is star. This is the enclosure, or you can say frame of the generator, and this is enclosure of the transformer. This generator neutral is grounded. This transformer neutral is also grounded, and the enclosure of the transformer generator is also grounded. Similarly, generator transformer neutral is also grounded. So this system earthing, this neutral generator neutral is connected to ground, so this is called grounding or system earthing, and the body of the generator or this transformer is also connected to ground, so this is called earthing. So we can say that grounding is basically used for equipment protection, and earthing is basically used for human protection. So now it is clear that grounding is basically used for the equipment protection and earthing is basically used for the human protection. So if you like this video, you can subscribe, like, subscribe and share with your friends, colleague, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you have any observation or you need any clarification on the same, you can also comment on my comment section. And also if you want to learn some new any other topic you want to learn, so you can also comment on the comment section. Thank you.